Hello, my friends. I am here for just a couple of minutes today to show you these cards. They are somewhat interactive, so I thought I should show you in a video exactly how the whole thing works. These are the exclusive cards. I'm calling it my flower series that are available if you are attending March 27th Scrap Away Crop event. All right, so I created 4 different cards, all using the same method, which is called shutter card. So I'll just start here with Blossom. All right, and each one has a belly band. And look at this. Is that not amazing? I just love that. And it's so easy. It really is. Okay, so this is the one for that's available for the Blossom collection, or from the Blossom collection. You'll notice I've left the edges square. This is the belly band. Okay, this is the one from the Eat, Play, Love collection. And you'll notice that I have rounded the corners. I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the things you could do with these. All right, this is the mix in. All right, and you can see on this one, I've added one of the bows from our bow thin cut. And I've used a double corner edge, or I forget what it's called, but it does the little bump. And there's that one. Okay, and then the final one is from our Daisy Meadows collection. Okay, oh, and I got a little bit of sticker action still happening there. Okay, and this one's just the plain rounded corners. Okay, and it opens like that. All right, so this is the deal. You can order up to 3 kits. This one for the mix-in paper is very limited quantities because I can only get 1 sheet of pattern paper from each pack. All right, so this one will be first come, first serve. You can order, like I said, you can order up to 3 kits, any combination you want. This is exclusive to attendees for Scrap Away March, and they're $2.50 each. And what was the other thing I wanted to tell you? You get 9 pieces. All right, so you do not get all the embellishments. You don't get the stamping. You don't get the bows or the stickers or any of that stuff. What you get is this card base cut out and scored for you, and it will come this way. It will come with the square edges. Then you'll get these 2 pieces that make the shutter thing work. I don't know what you call them. You get the white piece in the back for stamping. You get these 2 pieces here with the circle cut out. All right, and then you get the 2 pieces that go for the front panels, and then you get the main piece for the belly band. All right, and I will show you again and post pictures of the different things that I've done to create this card in different ways. So I will show you how to assemble it, how to make it work as a shutter, and then you can embellish it with your own goodies that you have at home. All right, so that's it. We've got Daisy Meadows, we've got Mix In, we've got Eat, Play, Love, and we've got Blossom. All right, and if you're watching this on my website, you can go directly from there to order these. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, there will be a link provided for you to go ahead and order. But please remember, first, you have to register for Scrap Away on March 27th. We'll be talking to you very soon